Hi everyone, welcome back to my another video. Today I'm going to show in this video how to fix this person is unavailable problem on your messenger. So before going to start the video, if you're not subscribed my channel, please subscribe. So let's start the video. Guys, if on your messenger you also seeing this person is unavailable, then I will show you how to fix this issue. You have to select that chat, just long press on that chat, then tap on restrict. After that, in top left side corner you will find three horizontal lines. Tap on that. In top you will find gear icon which is called setting. Tap on that. Then scroll down. In this you need to find privacy and safety. Tap on that. Scroll down. You can see here restricted accounts. Tap on this. Just tap on this chat and click on unrestricted account. Just tap on unrestricted. After doing this, hope your issue will be resolved. That's it guys. So in this way you can fix this user is unavailable problem on your messenger. Thanks for watching. Hope if you like this video, please like, share and don't forget to subscribe.